Hi folks, welcome back. Just wanted to talk you through what I ended up doing here for this one particular trip. So as of last week, I had put in the sea oats and then this room number here. And what I've done in the meantime is I just put some words in here about other things that I wanted to remember from our trip. So I definitely talked about the sea oats being harvested responsibly. And I wanted to put a note on here on the photo about that these bikes were wet when we checked in. And I just used my Sharpie pen. This is permanent pen, but it has a fine tip on it. So I'm able to write and it actually sticks. Probably what you can't see, or maybe you can just a little bit, is this is a picture of my parboiled hands because that's what happens apparently if you ride for 45 minutes in super soaked gloves. And then what I did down here was I just wrote a little bit about the trip and oops, just smeared it. Obviously it's not just dry just yet. I had already stamped this road trip on here before, but it actually kind of worked with what I was saying. So great road trip with the hubs is the last thing that I wanted to note on here. And then this map over here had kind of a blank spot right here. And I did want to note that we went to the Silver Dollar Bar, I guess. Definitely 100% a dive, but that place is actually really awesome. So I just wanted to note where it was because of all the papers and maps and stuff that I ended up bringing back. Nothing had it on it. And that's probably about right for that bar. They're not really probably into advertising that much, but whatever. But I just want to note that we went there because that was a super good time. And there actually was a carnival there that night. They had probably about half a dozen rides. And we actually saw most of the employees in the Silver Dollar the night before, obviously getting dinner before they opened up and also drinking. And I decided that that was maybe not the best thing for us to partake in. So we didn't, but the carnival was there and I decided to write sketchy down here because it kind of was. And we decided no. And then on the back of this over here, I didn't really like how this was so plain, so I just took, again, my silver marker that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, and I just wrote down what a downpour that we had one drink at Buzz's Roost, and this is Buzz's Roost on here. So there we go, all done. Got the flips, got where we ate. At night we ate at the dive, and that was actually really good. We had grouper and boom boom shrimp, which I really like boom boom shrimp. As you can see on here, I decided to start writing bang and then realized that was not the right word. It's actually boom boom shrimp, but whatever, it's fine. And then I have a picture in here and all the other little memorabilia that we brought back. I hope you guys enjoyed this process. I realize that this is now week 6 of this project. But in reality, guys, start to finish, it probably only took me about 30 minutes to do the entire thing. Maybe 45 by the time that I got like my scissors and picked out some washi tape that I wanted. But other than that, super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next week, we'll be back to doing this journal. See you then. Bye, guys.